thank you so much, Gaurang sir, coming
Thank
for
you.
our show again. And it's always a pleasure to talk to you. You've been so
Thank you,
supportive
thank you.
all these years. And as been you're so busy with your all new projects. As we were covering first, you're as a designer, look, you know, the designing business, then into restaurant. Now it's something new coming up. What exactly is all about? What you want exactly to Hyderabad to taste about?
So you get to see here an extension of the Gaurang's kitchen.
Yes.
It's called Maize and Beans. This is more about coffee and the Italian and Mexican vegetarian recipes here. So you'll get to have variety of coffee, which my son is developed it, and the variety of vegetarian cuisine from European.
Yeah. So, but what makes you to work on this extension?
me-
Buy special coffees, yeah.
So for me, vegetarian should not be restricted to India. You have other beautiful countries which offer such beautiful vegetarian recipes, which I want to get to Hyderabad and to all the my guests here.
And especially, I can see there are different variety of coffees, not the normal
Yes,
one.
yes.
So, I think you must have taken a round of whole Hyderabad cafeteria and then have decided.
See, I don't drink coffee. I've never tasted coffee or tea. So this is my son who's doing it. It's his
Okay.
passion, which is he's learnt about coffee and the varieties of the taste
Yeah.
and all that. So he's developed that.
But under the roof of Gaurang only.
Under the roof of it.
But that's a good point. You said you don't drink tea and coffee. I mean, that's very.
I have never tasted it.
Then how you manage your day, like being so hectic
Water.
with your.
I'm on water.
You're on water. So I would like to know, like avoiding tea and coffee, because you have a very hectic day, standing
Yes,
all the day
yes,
with
yes,
the customers,
yes.
and especially the ladies around, like, you know, and dealing with them, it's not an easy job. How you do that? What is your fitness funda now? Keep going.
It's just water what I have and my food.
That's it.
That's it.
And the shows, I mean, I would like to know about more shows you're doing in the Hyderabad and more of the other cities.
So right now, this year nothing is planned. It will be Lakme Fashion Week next year in February, March in Bombay.
So I want you to elaborate much more on it with this coffee area. Like,
he
if
will
you
do
can add up more of it.
उसको पकड़ो
नहीं, आपको भी पकड़ेंगे little bit.
Coffee के
But-
बारे में मेरे को ना कोई
but
समझ में नहीं आता.
what makes you attracted to extend this? Like,
The
you know
smell.
what? That's a good thing.
The smell of coffee. I love it.
The smell.
Yes.
So you enjoy your coffee with the smell.
Right.
Right. So what are the future plans now? That's more important for us to know. What's going in
You will
your
get
mind?
to know very soon.
Okay. Thank you, Gaurang sir,
Thank
talking
you.
to us. Thank you,
Thank
sir.